I never thought I would say this, but I was losing my edges and hair fast from stress and shedding. My hairline started fading and I panicked because I got frustrated. So I turned to what I know best, that is herbs and natural oils. And this right here turned out to be a game changer. Let me show you how I made this and what happened in few weeks. So in today's video, I'm going to share a hair growth oil that helped me regrow my thinning edges. And I made this oil with ingredients you already have at home. Here are the ingredients that I used. Onions is full of sulfur, which rebuilds thinning edges and stimulates growth. Clove boosts blood circulation and awakens sleeping hair follicles. Rosemary improves thickness and helps stop shedding. Moringa contains vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair. These nutrients work together to nourish hair follicles and strengthens hair strands. Fenugreek contains nicotinic acid, which stimulates hair follicles and strengthens hair follicles. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. Palm kernel oil deeply penetrates the scalp and strengthens the roots of your hair. Hibiscus stimulates hair growth, conditions hair, and prevents premature growing of hair. Chop your onions into smaller pieces like so that it will be easier for you to blend. For those of you that do not have blender, we are going to use this. I hope you know the name. We are going to blend it manually. So add your cloves, your fenugreek, your rosemary and blend together. It's not hard at all. Just blend it together. Make sure that everything is crushed into smaller particles. Then after that, remove it and add your onion and your moringa leaves. Blend it together also. Blend. It must not crush totally. This is just for it to be easier so that the oil can easily penetrate. Then into a stainless plate or into a stainless pot, you add your palm kernel oil mix with your fenugreek and aloe vera oil. Then you add your blended ingredients into the oil. Make sure that the oil covers the ingredients. Yeah, make sure the oil covers the ingredients. You wouldn't want to miss any of it. You wouldn't want to miss any of the ingredients like so. Make sure the oil covers the ingredients. Then boil for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat using the double boiling method. And you guys know that I love using the double boiling method a lot because it keeps the nutrients intact. When everything is set, bring it down and allow to cool. Strain the oil and pour into a container to store. Our potent DIY hair oil is ready for use. Apply this oil 3 to 4 times a week, focusing on the edges, the scalp and the hair, and massage it gently for at least 5 minutes. You can also use this oil as a hot oil treatment. Guys, this oil is a game changer. You need to try it. So guys, after 2 weeks of using this oil, I noticed less shedding and new baby hairs started appearing around my edges, and my scalp feels so much healthier. I will continue using this oil for a month and I will update you all with the final result. This might be the miracle oil your hair has been waiting for. This is a secret tip that I've promised. Number 1, do not apply excess oil to avoid buildups. Number 2, make sure to massage your scalp for at least 5 minutes. Number 3, always do a patch test if your scalp is sensitive. Number 4, cover your hair before going to bed. Yes, you heard me right. Cover your hair before going to bed. So get a hair bonnet. If you are struggling with thinning edges or hair loss, try this oil, and if you do, comment below and let me know your results. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell because I have more DIYs coming that you don't want to miss. See you in my next video. Bye.